Windows A to Z keyboard shortcut. Windows key plus A. Open the Action Center. Windows key plus B. Select Show Hidden Icon area and press Enter open hidden icon. Windows key plus C. Open Cortana. Windows key plus D. Show or hide the desktop. Showing the desktop hides all your open windows and apps. And pressing the keyboard shortcut again restores the windows in their correct place. Windows key plus E. Quick open the File Explorer. Windows key plus F. Take a screenshot and open Feedback Hub. Windows key plus Z. Open the game bar. This lets you record videos, take screenshot and access various features while playing a game. Windows key plus H. Launch dictation allowing you to enter text using your voice instead of typing. This is only available in selected language. Windows key plus I. Open the Windows settings. Windows key plus J. Shortcut to switch between Snap apps in Microsoft Windows. Windows key plus K. Open the Connect sidebar. Connect your Bluetooth or wireless device. Windows key plus L. Lock your PC. This keeps all your apps open but requires you to unlock your PC before using them again. Windows key plus M. Quick minimize all your windows. Windows key plus N. While running Microsoft Windows, pressing Windows key plus N does not nothing. Windows key plus O. Lock device orientation for tablets and convertibles. This prevents the display from rotating when you rotate your PC. Windows key plus P. Change the display mode for multiple monitors. If you have multiple displays connected, you can choose whether to use your screen and extension to use other, duplicate them, or use only a single screen at a time. Windows key plus Q or Windows key plus S. Open the Windows search box. You can search for file, apps and search the web here. Windows key plus R. Open Run dialog box. This allows you to open any apps on your PC. Windows key plus T. Select the taskbar apps that you want to open. Press Enter. Windows key plus U. Open the accessibility settings page. Windows key plus V. Open your clipboard history. This allows you to see multiple items you have copied, including text, link and image. Windows key plus W. In Windows 10, pressing Windows key plus W opens the Microsoft Paint, Whiteboard and Snip option. Windows key plus X. Open the Quick Link menu, which is equivalent to right-clicking the Start icon on your taskbar. This connecting links to systems features like Settings, File Explorer, Task Manager and more. Windows key plus Y. Windows Mixed Reality device only. Switch input between Windows Mixed Reality and the desktop. Windows key plus Z. While running Microsoft Windows, pressing Windows key plus Z does not nothing. Thanks for watching my video.